Welcome to Home of Taste Veg Recipes. Today we are going to do pineapple menaskai. Take a bowl, add finely chopped pineapples into it. Add some water so that pineapple gets dipped in. To this, add salt per taste and 2 pieces of jaggery. Let the pineapple get cooked in the jaggery syrup. Make sure that the pineapple is cooked, else add some more water and cook for some more time. Meanwhile, take 1 teaspoon of oil, some urad dal, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, two chillies and fry it. Transfer this to a mixer jar. Again, take 1 teaspoon of sesame and fry it without putting any oil. As it starts spluttering, transfer it to the mixer jar. To this, add grated coconut or pieces of coconut and grind it to a fine paste. Make sure pineapple is cooked well and then mix the curry into it. Mix well and add salt if it's required. Boil it for some time. Finally, for seasoning, add 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and curry leaves and fry it and mix it to the curry. Thank you. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications.